Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Excedrin Migraine tablets. Now this is acetaminophen and aspirin and caffeine. This is a very, very strong migraine pain reliever. I get migraines and I don't get them often, but every now and then I will get one. Now, a migraine headache is not like a regular headache. I mean, a regular headache, you may feel, a little, kind of a sweltering pain, between your temples or something. It just kind of lingers there and, may cause your eyes to strain or something like that. But a migraine, sometimes they can get really bad. To the point where you have to knock out and just fall asleep if you can. A migraine is pain and it's throbbing. The kind I get is right in the center of my forehead and really, really painful. It's like throbbing like a heartbeat in your head to where, and every time it pumps, pain comes from that. It's like something's forcing the blood through the veins in your brain. It's just really, really painful. And it causes dizziness. A lot of times it causes you to feel nauseous. Bright lights and all that bother you. The best thing if you don't have medicine is to try to just lay somewhere and fall asleep. The Excedrin migraine pills here do the job. For me, they really take away the pain, and it doesn't take very long. I know a lot of people don't like aspirin, but hey, it works, okay? This also is good for fevers. If you have a cold or something, you take this, bring that high fever down. 2 tablets usually is the deal with me. I need to take 2. Each pill is 250 milligrams. I need 2 of those. I start feeling it probably like a half an hour. I get relief and I'm good again. It's so necessary to actually take something when you have a migraine. It's really, you just can't function. It's just, they're bad. Excedrin works very well. It really gets in there and makes it so you can function again. Because a lot of times, you're done. You're absolutely done. It really, really takes a really strong medicine just to give you minimal amount of relief. This does it. Yeah, I've been using Excedrin for quite a while now. A lot of the other medicines I was using just did not do it. It would just kind of mask the pain. It would numb it, but you could still kind of feel it back there. This one, you start to feel regular again. It's like it's not there. And that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to have it gone. Now it's lingering in the background and the medicine is, taking it away, and it will fade after a while and hopefully the migraine is gone. This medicine it's good. It really works well and it makes you really appreciate science because without it, people would just be suffering incredibly because migraines are no joke. They aren't. This one does it for me. like I said, I've been taking it for a while now. I mean, like I said, I don't get headaches all the time, but maybe like migraines twice a month, something like that. It's a really good pill to take just to knock all that away. All right, well, this is the Excedrin Migraine tablets. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.